Hi and welcome back. We're gonna teach you today how to make a Cape Cod. This drink is also known as vodka and cranberry. This might be very surprising for some of you. Most people don't know that this drink actually has a name, and the name is Cape Cod. Cape Cod is just vodka and cranberry, and we're gonna start with 1 ounce of vodka. I'm using Belvedere vodka. Then just simply fill it up with cranberry juice. Some people like to add a splash of club soda as well, but that will be completely optional. Now we're gonna garnish with a lime. The lime wheel is my favorite. And a straw. Let me show you some presentations for this classic drink. Thank you, and I'll see you with the next video.